Welcome to Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care, Kolkata. Today we are discussing about ceramic dental crown and cosmetic dentistry for broken teeth. Ours is the most awarded cosmetic dental clinic in Kolkata. Patient reported to us with broken and discolored teeth due to an accident and was unhappy with her smile. When we took her inside mouth photograph, we noted that one of her front teeth are discolored and half broken. She also had other problems. She was afraid that she would lose her teeth, as one of the dentists she had visited before has told her that she needs to remove this teeth and replace it with an artificial tooth. She almost never smiles at anyone, tries to talk with her lip closed as she is shy. She is very conscious of her problem too. She dreams to get a great smile someday and wants to get a quick solution to her problem. So we advised her, because her teeth was infected and was discolored due to an existing infection, we advised her to get a root canal treatment done to treat the infection in her teeth and put an all ceramic crown to reconstruct the tooth to its original shape and color. The root canal was done by an endodontist who treated the infection of the teeth and did it perfectly. Next, digital designing of ceramic crown was done by a software which was computerized designing, and color analysis was done with the aid of that software. In which we 3D reconstructed the teeth and got the designing of a future crown done. After the designing was done, it was 3D printed in the form of a model, and an all ceramic crown was made on the top of it. First, we got a shape approval done by taking consent from the patient, and then we got the color approval done from the patient too. Therefore, she had automatically chosen the shape and color of her teeth. So before treatment, it was really bad to start with. The magic of the treatment lies when we actually place the crown. It was so natural that even the patient and the patient's family were unable to identify the difference between the natural teeth and the permanent crown given to the broken teeth. Her success story could be yours too if you have a similar problem. She got a perfect smile that she had dreamt of, and you can see a massive change in the smile that she has got post-treatment. She got a natural looking teeth or a crown over the broken teeth. The teeth was preserved, and over that, a reconstruction in the form of a crown was done. She was happy with her looks and extremely confident in smiling now. A single tooth can bring about a great change in your smile. So there was a transformation in her smile when we reconstructed the broken teeth with a all ceramic Emax crown. If you have similar problems or problems related to cosmetic dentistry, you can meet our chief orthodontist and dental braces and cosmetic smile designing expert, Dr. Abhishek Ghosh, at our own center in Kolkata at Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care. For the services that we have done over the years, we have been chosen as the best dental clinic and also the best cosmetic smile designing experts in Kolkata. If you want to discuss your problem with us or want to get treated from us, visit us at www.greatlakesdentalclinics.com or contact us at 833-709-8496 or 833-5979-173. Thank you for looking into this video. Keep subscribing us in YouTube